Hi guys, so today I am doing something a bit crazy. I am going to walk to the mountains, well, the closest mountains to where I am right now, to take a picture in a dress that I bought. I think it was in 2020, and I don't know how it happened, but bleach upon up the whole of the dress, so I did not get to do my nice picture in this dress. And I love this dress. I'm actually still wearing it, but I can't wear it go like anywhere out because it just spoiled up. My hair is so well due for a comb, but this will have to do. So let's get into it. So this is my little tour guide, Joshua. Do you want to say hi?
Yeah.
Turn around and say hi, no?
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
So this is my little tour guide. We are walking to the mountains, or to the closest mountains to this place that we're at right now, to get the perfect shot. So let's see how it goes. So you're going through your muddy puddles?
Yeah, man.
Okay, go.
Here's your money for the
Yeah.
Good.
The journey still continues, and we have so much
My
further
foot is
to
hurt.
go. Your foot hurt? Yeah. Trip to the mountains. This place is so green and beautiful. I am not even exaggerating. As soon as I start seeing the mountains, then I'll stop and take my photos. Oh wait, you see that? That's a bird.
Bessie.
It's a bird. Yeah, so yeah, we're almost there. Is this a mountain? Well, the trees are in the mountain. Okay. Alright. So yeah. You see it, guys. Get the picture now. Yeah. And we just have to find the perfect picture spot to take this photo. Yeah. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so I wasn't even thinking that I am going to need a photographer whilst I was here, so I didn't even prepare. But luckily I saw this lovely lady, Auntie Faye, and she took some awesome shots of us. This is my sister Chelsea. She had to find herself around here, and I told her, let's do a jump shot together. Auntie Faye did her thing, and these are some of the photos that I got. And to be honest, I am really loving them. They look beautiful, and as you see, not all the photos turned out how I would love them to. As look at this one. This was a fail, but I had to show you that not everything came out perfect. But the entire area, every single thing was so nice, was so serene, was so beautiful, and I loved it. I did couple clips on my TikTok, my new TikTok, that's Life of a Caribbean Nurse on TikTok, and I placed it there, a short clipping of it. This is just to show you guys the prep for the actual photo shoot, and I'm going to be putting some more photos in so you guys can get an in-depth look. Yes, I'm spinning out loud. It was a very happy moment for me, and I sincerely love that. Yes. This is me prepping Josh and the other kids to move, because Chelsea and I were going to do the jump right here. So I'm holding her hand. She's saying, no, Rachel, put that down. Let me do this. And I'm going to show you the jump video once again that we did.